T. Clark here, and this video is going to go over the AP Computer Science A 2025 CED FRQ question number 1B. And in 1B, I already made a video going over it a little bit, but this problem, I'm going to try using the split method to try to solve this. So I want to write the get abbreviation method, and again, I skipped that part when I was first looking at the problem. I went through and I talked about A, and then the helper method, but for B, I'm going to go back up and look at this part right here. So B says it's a method that returns abbreviation for message, okay. As it talks about later, I'm going to scroll back down in part B. And then precondition is the word is separated by a single space, and there's at least 2 words. Okay, so there are 2 words and at least 1 space. It could be more, but each word is separated by a space, and it looks like I think as before, there's only spaces between the words. There's no space at the beginning, there's no space at the end, and that's it. And then the post condition is message stays the same. Okay, so let's look at B. It says the abbreviation is going to be the first letter. Okay, so first letter is substring 01 of each word. And we're going to get rid of this, separate them by spaces. Okay, and then, okay, so if you have it as soon as possible, it'll just be ASAP. And then I just read this stuff from letter page. Okay, so when I was looking at my my reference page, I saw that now we have the string method split, which will return an array of strings, which has been split around matches of a given expression del. So del is like a delimiter, well, it is a delimiter. So I'm going to use probably space here and separate all the words into an array of words separated by spaces. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to say before everything else, I'm going to say my words from the message are going to be the message split. I'm pretty sure split doesn't change the actual original string. Yeah, it just returns an array of this string. Okay, so message.split, I'm splitting based on the spaces, yeah. So then I'm going to say, I need my result, string result equals empty string, and at the very end I'm going to return result. And this is the first time I've used split in a while, honestly. I'm just going to assume it works and say for int I equals 0 because I have an array now. So I'm going to loop over this words array. So I less than words.length I plus plus. And what we got here, get some space to work in the for loop. And I have the words, so I'm going to add the current word's first letter. So I'm going to add to result the first letter, so dot substring 01. I know I need the first letter, so that's substring 01 of the words, of the current word in my array. So that's words bracket I. And that should be it. Is that it? If I use dot split, it might be. Hopefully I got it right. Otherwise I'll delete this video. Nope, looks like it's correct. So split is very useful. I think that's one of the new topics for this year is importing a bunch of strings from data files. So we got the book on the table, GMS, Good Morning Sunshine, and as soon as possible. Yep, so split was very useful for this one. Make sure you have a good day. Have a good day.